So whenever I come to a new country, I always like to start with the street food tour. But the problem is I can't really do that alone because I'm not a local and the internet can only tell you so much. So I don't know what's good, and more importantly, I don't know what's safe. So that's why I've enlisted the help of Vincent from Backstreet Academy, who's an expert here in the street food scene in Cebu. So he's going to show me around, right?
Yep, sure I will. So by the way, my name is Vincent and I've been a tour guide for 2 years already here in the Philippines, and I hope you do this tour as well.
Alright, so shall we start eating?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, let's go.
Yep, this is a fruit. It's called lanzones.
Okay,
Lanzones.
I've never heard of that.
What do you think it is?
It looks like a potato.
It is a potato.
Oh, really?
No, I'm just joking. So, it's pretty common in Southeast Asian countries.
Yeah.
It is also known as longan in another country.
Oh, okay, I've heard of longan. Yeah, okay.
So-
What is it called here?
Lanzones.
Lanzones.
Yes.
Okay, it's very very clear inside.
As long as you don't eat the seeds, everything will be smooth.
Okay,
and-
how do I actually eat this?
So it's actually opened already. So all
Okay.
you have to do is just peel it, and then it's already divided
Okay.
in sections.
A little bit sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit sweet, a little bit sour.
Yeah.
As long as you don't eat the seeds.
Okay, why not?
It's gonna be bitter.
Okay, it's not poisonous.
This is called the carinderia. Carinderia.
Calendaria.
Carinderia comes from the food. What food would you associate the word carinderia?
Is it like a cafeteria kind of thing? So they do a little bit of everything?
Well, the word iria means store.
Store, okay.
The problem is the first word, curry.
Curry, okay, so it's curry.
Yes.
It's a curry store.
Curry was cooked by the
Indian?
Indians. So it was the British who came here.
So the British bought the Indians who bought the curries to Philippines.
Yes, they established their thing, and now it's pretty common. They've got carinderia.
Okay, calendaria.
So the first food that we'll be eating, this will
Wow,
be
what is that?
chicharon bulaklak.
What? Can you say it again? Chicharon?
Chicharon bulaklak.
Okay, what does that mean?
Crispy flowers.
Crispy flour. Part where it curls, that's the stomach.
Yeah, that's the intestine.
Intestine of what? Like
Pig.
pig, okay.
So it's called crispy flowers for a reason, because it looks like a flower when you cook it. You'll try some.
I'm used to seeing sisig on like a hot plate.
Yeah, as long as it's made out of a pork face,
Yeah.
ears,
Okay.
nose,
That's the chicharon
bulaklak.
bulaklak.
We've
Yeah.
got the
Sisig?
sisig. This one is mixed corn, mixed
Oh, that's not
rice.
just normal rice?
Yep, that's not normal. But because it's white and it looks like rice, we say, oh, do you want some rice? But in corn.
Soy sauce?
This one is soy sauce.
And this one is vinegar. So you guys always eat your food with soy sauce and vinegar?
Not really all the time, but
A lot of times.
A lot of times.
So this is the corn rice. It's like so small, everything's so like little.
yeah, that's true.
So this is a pig intestine. Oh, it's pretty good. It's very chewy. Very chewy. And it's crunchy as well. This is very popular in Cebu.
It is, but it's not pretty common to cook it at home. The way you prepare it is quite
hard.
daunting. So you still have to soak it in vinegar, clean it, everything, like whole night, soak it there so that the smell of the intestine will be there.
Next, try
Next.
the sisig. I've had sisig before, but it's always on like a hot plate, so this is a bit different. So what's the sisig made out of? Pig's face? Pig's ear? Pig nose? Okay. I like the sauce. It's like a bit chewy, fatty pork. What sauce is this? The sauce is really good.
We'll be getting
Yeah.
is called siomai.
Siomai, like the Chinese food?
It's dumpling.
Dumplings, yeah.
Hi, siomai. Okay.
Oh, it's a nice little store here.
Yep, so this one used to be, siomai used to be just a street food, like those kind of carts.
Yeah.
But now it's like, because they got really, really good. So,
Oh, so this place is like quite popular.
Mm.
So this is Filipino-style siomai. Whoa, look very meaty. The Filipino siomai lacks the elegance of the original Chinese version, but it does come with a generous dose of chili garlic oil.
If you're going to have a meal, usually it's actually the meal and paired with rice.
So you eat siomai with rice?
Always.
That's a strange combination.
Yep. Strange, but that's how we do it.
And what's the sauce on it?
The sauce is a special sauce.
Special sauce, special recipe.
Yes.
Okay.
You can put some sauce in it as well.
Is that a soy sauce?
It is.
So you just put soy sauce on everything?
Just a little. Because it's already spiced up.
Okay.
Mm.
I don't know what sauce it is, but that sauce is really good.
Yeah.
Do you eat it with the rice at the same time?
Yeah, we eat it with the rice.
Okay. It's good rice, but if you're Chinese, you don't eat siomai with rice. But I tell you, the sauce on this thing is amazing.
We store it.
Mm-hmm.
It's siomai sa tisa.
Siomai satisa.
So tisa is a place wherein they're pretty famous for siomais. They have eat all you can siomai for 100 pesos.
100 pesos. How many can you eat?
I haven't tried it yet. Now we're gonna try the tuslubua or
Toslobua?
or to dip in a bowl. It's also
What is that?
It's a pig's brain.
Pig's brain. Ah.
Yep, yep.
Wow.
This one is called hanging rice.
Honey rice.
Hanging.
Hanging rice. Oh,
Hanging.
okay.
So we hang it.
Oh, okay.
Open it, and then afterwards you can dip it like what she did.
Oh, you dip it in there.
Yeah.
Ah, in the pig's brain.
It's like gravy.
It's like gravy.
You can do multiple dips.
Okay. So you can double dip. No one cares.
Not just double. Triple.
Triple. And then do you take it out?
Yeah, take it out. Don't destroy the shape of that one, and
Okay.
use that one
Dip
to
it in
dip
there?
there.
Oh my god, it's hot. Like that? It's gonna be hot.
It is.
Yeah, it's like gravy.
It is.
It's like gravy.
Well, you can get the white one. The white one is the brain.
Oh, that's the white one's the brain. Oh shit. Okay. All right. See that white stuff? That's the brain.
Yeah, you'll be smarter than the pig now. Need the added knowledge.
It's like tofu.
Oil, brain.
That's the big brain. Wow.
Yeah. And
Soy
the
sauce?
secret ingredient.
Oh, so that's how they make it.
Well, look at this kid here.
Oh my god.
Hoy! Hindi tayo sa iyong vlog.
This is shy.